Good morning to you all. Today in this video we'll see how we can get back to the old classic editor in WordPress website. As if you are a WordPress admin, if you own a website or if you own a WordPress blog, then you may be familiar that now all the advanced WordPress versions have block editor instead of classic editor. So right now on my screen you are seeing is the classic editor. See here. If I want to write anything, I can use these all text editing tools which is of classic editor, but with the latest WordPress all everyone are viewing block editors instead of classic editors. You're getting block editor. So how you can get back to this classic editor on your WordPress website too? So just watch this tutorial till the end. I'll don't take much time, but one thing I'll request you from is please do hit this a like for this video and share it to the others. So for this to happen, you need to install plugins. One plugin to install is, I'll show you on my plugins area. I just installed a plugin called Classic Editor. So see here, Classic Editor. So on your plugins, you need to click on Add New and search for Classic Editor here. Classic Editor. See here, Editor I'll search. So this classic editor you need to install first and then activate in the install plugins. You need to activate it here. Right now it is already activated on my computer, means on my WordPress website, so it is showing as deactivate. For you it will show activate. You need to click on activate, then you can click on settings here. So default editor for all users. So it will, if you say this is a block editor, then you will be able to see block editor, but you need to check classic editor. So then whenever you click and add a new post, add a new one, I'll click on right click and open. Instead of block editor here, you will get classic editor. So this setting is very important. And at the end you need to click on save changes here, save changes. Okay. So if you are done with this settings, then when you click on a new post, instead of the block editor you will get classic editor. So yeah, you can write in the text form, in the HTML form or the visual form. You can use all these text editing tools, and yes, you can do like what you used to do in the old days of WordPress. So if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like for this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.